So this is really special this year. These numerals came all the way across the country from California, and our friends at Kia drove them across the country. It was really, really exciting when they came into Times Square about a week or so ago. Our challenge today is getting these numerals up to the very top of the front of One Times Square where the ball drops. The 2 is about 350 pounds. It's 7 feet tall, so we don't have a lot of room to get it through the hatchways. You know, my guys are experienced and have years and years of experience. I mean, I've been doing this since 1989. So, you know, we know what we're doing, but it's tight. These numerals are made to just fit, and I mean they just fit. Once the numeral 2 gets up to the deck, then we start our next phase. We have to drop a winch from the top of the pole where the ball sits, and we have to winch this numeral up about 80, 90 feet to get to where the other numerals are. I mean, there's a lot of safety. It's a windy day today. You have to deal with a lot of the elements. You know, we're trained to do this, and safety is our priority. You might think it's an easy task to just change one numeral and put another numeral up, but this whole thing takes the whole day and then some, and it's very, very time consuming, and it's a slow moving process, but it's all worth it. When those millions and millions of people see those numerals light up on New Year's Eve, it's just all worth it. It's the most exciting thing I do in my life. So keeping in mind, this numeral 2 is 7 feet high, 145 LED bulbs in it, and weighs 350 pounds. When we get this thing up there, it is bright and it is big, and everybody sees it from Times Square to Central Park. It's like crazy.